What are the aims, objectives, and applicability of the Bharatiya Sakshya Adhiniyam? This one is quite simple. The Bharatiya Sakshya Adhiniyam was enacted to replace the outdated Indian Evidence Act of 1872. The main aims, therefore, are modernization, which is to update the law to include and properly address modern forms of evidence, especially electronic and digital evidence. Next one is efficiency, which is to streamline the process of evidence presentation and admissibility in court, particularly concerning digital records. And relevance, which is to ensure that the law remains relevant in the current technological and social context. For example, the old Indian Evidence Act was drafted and enacted when people were still writing or typing out letters and documents, which would be sent out as physical copies. Whereas these days, almost all communication happens online through emails or WhatsApp, and even signatures have become digital. Because of BSA, electronic records like WhatsApp messages or server logs, which were previously treated as secondary evidence, can now be considered as primary evidence if they meet certain conditions. This makes it easier to use digital communications as proof in various courts. The BSA is applicable to all judicial proceedings in all courts in India, including civil and criminal cases. It specifies what types of evidence can be presented and how they should be evaluated by the courts. This applicability is specifically stated in section 1(2), which states that the Act applies to all judicial proceedings in or before any court, but not to affidavits presented to any court or officer, nor to proceedings before an arbitrator.